Move and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Clinton, local and long distance movers near me. A long distance move is a move that is more than 50 miles from your current address. We comply with all state and federal rules as regards relocations. We also have valid licenses to offer both interstate and intrastate moves. We work with the best movers. They are careful and organized, and our stuff is efficient and capable. Our moving trucks have spacious compartments that secure your belongings when moving. Our drivers are also professionals, and they are skilled in moving your belongings over long distances and ensure your belongings get to the new location without damages and at the stipulated time. To cover risks, we have put in place adequate insurance. Moving within Clinton can be a big challenge. We have experience moving around busy cities and provide fast, accessible moves in Clinton. We also have taken time to study the road networks and different routes, so we know our way around the city. Local moves are less expensive than long-distance moves, however, and 3 Movers provides the cheapest local relocations. We charge as low as $30 to $40 an hour, and we have excellent customer service and are always available 24/7 to attend to your moving needs. Locals are our biggest clients, and you can ask them for reviews. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Clinton moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. Request a free quote using our online request form.